Hey guys, I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to integrate your Facebook ads onto your Attribuly account. First of all, please make sure that you are logged into your Shopify account and Attribuly is installed on your app. Now, once you're there, once you're in your Attribuly account, go to the Tools page and you will see Integrations. Click Integrations and you will see Facebook here. You just need to click Facebook. Once you click Facebook, hit connect, and it will ask you to log into your Facebook account. Now, once you're logged in into your Facebook account, you will see the number of ads that you have, and you just need to toggle on which ad you wanted to be tracked. Once done, you will see the ads here, and you can go to tracking template and check the attribute templates that you have. Please make sure that you have selected DM underscore or typed in DM underscore net equals Facebook and UTM underscore source and click Facebook. Now, once done, you just need to have to save this one, and there you have it. Your Facebook is now connected to Attribuly, and it will now start conversion onto your Attribuly account. If you have any questions with the process or have any issues with connecting your Facebook account, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and we're going to assist you. Have a great day.